Good morning and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's raining, so I will be quick. I just had this fish not long time ago, 12 pound. This little one. Nice. Little bit dark. Little bit dark. Quick on other side. Let's put her back quick. Here we go again. Same rod. It's spawned out, this one. It's nice. Nice to catch. Okay. Let's treat the wound as always, and then let's put her back. Put a couple of drops. That's it. And then you seal it with water. This one is called the propolis. I like this one. As you can see, it seals off. Let's put her back. She gave me a good fight. She deserves. We have a bite. Before you go into the water, make sure you check the bottom of the lake. It is really important because if it's a soft silk, really soft, then you can sink or stuck in it. So make sure it's safe to do so. The reason why I'm using waders because the water is really shallow. It's like 30 centimeter deep, 2 rod lengths out. In this case, it's much safer to play the fish in a deeper water. As you can see on the footage, the fish is rolling and charging, which could be dangerous in a shallow water as the fish can hurt himself. Third fish of the session, 14 pound. It looked bigger in a net, but I'm happy. Other side, quickly. And we had a bite. Here's another side. Nice long. It spawned out as well. It would have been 16-17 pound, but now just a smaller one. good. Okay, let's put it back and let's get some more. Here we go again, welcome back. This fish is much bigger than all of them I caught today. It's pretty close to 30, I think. Then if not, then it's an upper 20. Ooh. And it's heavy. I don't know if it's spawned out or not. Hard to tell this one. Let's check the weight first. It's definitely a 20 plus, 100%. 26 pound. Nice. Get in. Finally some bigger one. Yeah, essentially I be pop up and some of the boilies around. That's fishy. £26. Let me show. Sealed. Come on. Gotta be faster then. Here we go. Look at this. 26 pound. Nice mirror. Here it comes. There is it. 26 pound, another side. Whew. Very nice, very nice. I hope there will be more. Let's do some pictures and let's put her back. Good morning. As you can see, I'm on another swim. Last night was just way too quiet. Not a beep, nothing happened. And the wind was really cold on that side. So I came this side. And there's no wind here. It's very, very quiet. So, yeah, I reeled the rods in. I had a quick look around, and I noticed this side of the lake. It's very quiet and nice and warm, which I think the fish prefer today. So I packed up real quick and I moved down here. Nice weather, no wind, very good. Hoping for a bite now. nothing happening. I thought that we're gonna have some fish here, but they're just not interested, looks like. I have like 20 minutes left. I'm gonna start packing up slowly, and if you're not gonna see me, that means I haven't caught anything in the 20 minutes. I will see you in the next episode. Unfortunately, nothing happened in this 20 minutes, but there is always a next time. So this session, the winning bait and the tactic was this one. Essential IB pop-up on a running rig and helicopter setup. That was the winning bait. So if you like these sort of videos, like carp fishing, you might want to check my live stream out, which is every Friday evening, Saturday morning and Saturday evening, and maybe Sunday morning as well. Come say hi, tell me where you fishing, how you fishing, what's your favorite bait, anything fishing related or even game related, no matter. Thank you for watching this episode, and I hope you see you on my live stream. Bye.